So we're dealing with more rotations, all right? So let's start on the top and work across. Relate the dimensions of the plane figure to the solid figure that results from its rotation around the given axis. So essentially what we're saying is if we took this plane figure on the left-hand side and rotated it around the axis, it's going to create this figure right here. Now what I want to see is we basically have a radius right here, which is going to be the same as this piece. And then we also have the height, which is going to be listed right here. So we can use some of this information to help us out. All right, same idea here. We have a radius, which is going to be this piece. We also have a height, which is going to be right here. And then over here, we've got a radius or a radius. So we're going to go from the center point out. Either way you want to go about, we're going to be dealing with the radius right there. So when we are doing this, we're going to determine what three-dimensional shape will be created by rotating the two-dimensional shape 360 degrees around the y-axis, and then determine the radius of the solid. So as we do this, we've already shown our radius is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Our height is going to be 2, and we know it's going to be a cylinder. And we're going to take this all the way 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way around. And there we go. Over here, we know that when we rotate a triangle around, it's going to come up and end up being a cone. With a radius of 1, 2, 3, and a height of 1, 2, 3, 4. We again have a cylinder here. If we rotate around the y-axis, then our radius is going to be not 2, it's only going to be 1, and our height is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're patient, should be somewhat easy to see. It's going to be tricky going from two-dimensional to three-dimensional and thinking spatially, but if we take some time, count the steps, should be just fine. Feel free to ask questions as you need them.